Bayshore Commons. This is the 1502, which is 1,502 square foot model. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And
I am with Steve O here today, and we're going through this model, but I don't think this one's going to be available soon. There will be other ones available like this, but this one I think my clients might put under contract. So we've got 1 half bath there. You got a 1-car garage here. This home is a steal. It's $292,000. Look at that. We got quartz countertops. You're done being in the video, Steve? Oh. All right, so quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Look at those cool pendants they put in, and the fan. And what's great about this community, Steve?
Great thing about the community location, it is conveniently located just north of the Caloosahatchee River. Easy access to I-75 and US 41.
Okay, so we're on the second story. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And here's one first bedroom here. Very generous, and a nice closet with these bypass doors instead of the bifold doors, which I hate. I hate the bifold doors. Okay, and actually it looks like these doors are an upgrade too, are they?
Yes, they are your 2-panel doors instead of the standard 6.
Okay, this is bedroom number 2. And here's the first full bath that we're looking at here. Nice quartz countertops. It's a big bathroom. Okay, and we've got the washer and dryer upstairs, which is a really nice feature. That is the air handler. I'm not going in there because I've been told my videos are too long. Here's the master bedroom. I don't know. I like my videos long. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. Wait, don't tell me in the comments. Never mind. There's me, Dina Sowers. Okay, so here's another full bath. This is the master bath, and they got the quartz countertops in here. This is a big shower. Really nice place here. So this is $292,000, and this house is a steal. All right, one more thing. Here's the master closet. Pretty generous. The HOA fees are pretty low here. What are the HOAs again?
Sorry,
we gotta look them up. We gotta look them up just to be exactly precise, but they're very, very reasonable. I think it was like $800 something a quarter. So the fees are very, very, very reasonable in this house. All right. So if you want to know more about this community or any community in Florida, make sure you contact Dina Sowers for the flowers. All right. Find my card here. And if you're doing new construction, it's important to have an agent representing you in a transaction. So put my name down, put my ID number and my phone number for your next transaction. Did you find out?
Yes,
$824 a month.
Per quarter.
Oh, sorry, $824 per quarter. Very, very reasonable HOA fees in here. And we're down to the last few homes in this community. They are going to sell super fast. Well, they already have sold super fast. But these last ones are going to sell very fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.